5th. That was just over 2 weeks ago. 98,000 people are dead. How dare you leave your house? You don't work in the media. You're not essential. But it didn't take long for that message to change completely. In fact, it took precisely 5 days. Here's the same brain-dead news anchor you just saw less than a week later. He's no longer angry, you'll notice, about Americans going outside. As long as they are rioting and burning and not doing something sinful like swimming with their children, he's delighted by it.
In less than a quarter mile, take the I-90 East ramp to Spokane.
What is going on?
The white stripes. It's got like a spoiler, Viper GTS. That's what it says. I'm fucking like, that shit look dang. Shit don't seem like
Story of like this group, a younger man finding just, oh man, it's like Lord of the Rings, sort of, but I've heard it's different. Anyways, guys, I hope you're feeling strong 6 days in. You know what's really cool? I love Spider-Man movies.
It's gonna take a while.
Yeah.
It's gonna take a while.
what the
Yeah.
I mean, if we did, just rough numbers, if you did $50,000 a year and lived on 50,
bro, I was
that's
talking
10
about
years
the valley
too.
niggas, bro.
This list are equal in the amount of suckage they possess. The last two on this list are statistically the same except for population. So we'll start with Hemet. Hemet was the place to move to back in 1995. Around 1999, people
Camshaft position sensor, bank 1, sensor 1. So I went to a discount auto parts store, bought a sensor, put it on, but the code is still there. Hell, the sensor, you got aftermarket. Generally, they're in max.
On your screen now. Don't wait. There may be time deadlines to file a claim. Call 800-840.
Yeah, there he goes. He's walking away eating the watermelon. Yeah. Well, he put that piece back in his pickup, and I think he's gonna go get it out of the back of the trailer. Yeah, I think he's got a reefer going on. No, he's got a reefer. And he must have a load of watermelons or something. He just gave away one watermelon to this guy. He gave away a slice, and now he gave away a whole fucking one. There he goes with another watermelon. So he took 2 whole watermelons and a slice. I almost see a fucking other car probably roll up. This fucking tanker's about to hit a truck. Nice, I'm just gonna live with you guys.
I'm not gonna run over the. Just run over the. Just fell out of his truck. Are you gonna take it or what?
I guess. I'm gonna pull these headphones off your neck, okay? We do have Sirius XM, so
As you can see, we rush around. That'll be a lunchbox, and then you got send go to the wasteland. You got collect 50 food. Now you instantly want to send this guy out. Now I know it's kind of counterintuitive. You would think it would not be the right thing to do, but you got the wasteland is your best friend. That is where you will get most of your